Yeah, I see it.
On the heading, enjoy the sunshine. Contact departure.
Yeah, lucky.
And go to departure now, 2869. Mention tower, wind is 270 and 22, gust 30, runway 22 left, turn right.
I saw the lights. This weather sucks. Ah! Why do I have so... Nope, Old Alaska. Holy crap. Delta 8 to 30. That's Sun Country, I think. Cause it has. Shut up.
The Sun Country's still late.
Alright, this thing cannot record at night. Oh my god.
Look at that.
Jesus. It's probably your 7.6 right there. Actually, yeah, that is.
The wind is 280 at 18, gust 29er, caution wake turbulence, and trail of 2 heavy jets departing the west side of the field.
Yep. Yep. Well, no, because we had the 8-330 that just took off too.
734 turning tower, we're going to 2 X for the wind.
That's a good plan.
S505 heavy, exit Alpha 3, Alpha, Victor.
Oh yeah, that is too. Dang it, Dad, we almost have what I've been dreaming of.
I think it's going to happen when it's pitch black out.
Oh, that's Virgin. Bye, Virgin Atlantic.
Really?
Yeah. See the pink?
No, I can't see anything.
9185 is departed, Virgin 108. 22 at Foxtrot, cross runway 21 right, contact ground 0.8. Air shuttle 6081, taxi via
Spaceship.
onto Whiskey, and then taxi Whiskey, Foxtrot, hold short runway 21 right.
It's Delta, right?
Delta 2442, contact departure. Delta 2442 as well.
In the dark, it looks like a tiny little short, stubby plane.
Yeah.
To the southwest, I can't tell.
That's the Sun Country.
Is it really?
Yes. You can see it. You can see the orange S. Plus, they said line up and wait after the Delta, right when the Delta got cleared for takeoff, the one before it.
Got it. Good luck on your long flight.
Go.
Left contact ground, 12120.
No, the engine's lit up. Maybe there is.
I can't see it. There it is.